Ian Whitehurst with Crossroads Ford of Indian Trail, inviting you in to save big money on our brand new 2018 models and save even more money on all remaining 2017s. Take up to $10,000 off all 17 Platinum King Ranch or Lariat F-150s, or take up to $12,000 off 18 F-150 XLTs, or take up to $10,000 off 17 Lariat Platinum or King Ranch F-250s. Shop me first, shop me last, just shop me. I'll beat anyone's price on a new Ford. Come see me today or go to crossroadsfordindiantrail.com.